How does commercial plumbing differ from residential systems? Commercial plumbing works in offices, restaurants, and malls where water use is higher and more frequent. It supports large-scale usage with many fixtures, sometimes across multiple floors. These systems include industrial-grade water heaters, complex drainage, and advanced pipe networks. They must follow stricter building codes and health regulations, which help ensure safety and compliance. Due to constant use, frequent inspections and maintenance are required to avoid disruption. Commercial plumbing is built to handle high traffic and continuous use, making it stronger and more advanced than typical home systems. For expert commercial plumbing services in Perth, Marchant Plumbing and Gas is a trusted partner for businesses of all sizes. Their licensed plumbers manage complex systems in offices, restaurants, malls, and other high-traffic spaces, ensuring compliance with strict health and building codes. From advanced drainage to industrial-grade hot water systems, they deliver solutions built for reliability and efficiency. With service hubs in Roleystone, Callaroo, and Victoria Park, they provide fast local support across the city. Choosing Marchant Plumbing and Gas gives your business dependable plumbing that keeps operations running without interruption. So, for your commercial plumbing needs, call the experts now, Marchant Plumbing and Gas.